In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and merciful. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you will all be fine. Welcome to your next class, that is class 5. Students, you have a book of Cambridge Express English literature book. Look at the title page. Have a look at this Cambridge Express book. Students, now I will introduce your first lecture of your book, which is If You Want Cheese, Say Please, which is on your second page of your book. Students, this is the most interesting lesson of your syllabus. Before starting my lesson, I would like to tell you about the importance of saying this please in life. Students, as you know, courtesy is very important in life, because when you are courteous, people have a good impression of you and respect you. Students, saying please, sorry, thank you and welcome are the courtesy words. So these words show polite behavior of someone. In this lesson, we come to know that we should not steal anything. If we want to get something, we should take permission from that person. Because students, this thing includes in our good manners, as it is rightly said, all doors open to courtesy. So let's start the story of this chapter. Students, there were two mice living together in a town named Miceville. Their name was Cheddar and Berry. Cheddar and Berry. They liked the cheese very much. Even their house looked like cheese. They used cheese in all of their meal, like breakfast, lunch and dinner. One day they got an invitation of cheesecake competition. They were very excited to find this invitation. So students, they decided to take part in that competition. For that reason, they started to bake a cake. As they are making, in this picture, they are making a cake. They are making a cake in this picture. So students, after baking it, they put it into refrigerator. Students, on next morning, they found that there were no cheesecake in the fridge. There were no cheesecake in the fridge. They were much upset at this. As you can see in this picture, that there were no cheesecake in the fridge. The fridge was empty. So students, they were much upset at this to find that there were no cheesecake in the fridge. So one neighbor, whose name was Pasta, the third character is Pasta. The third character, Pasta, told them that he saw from outside of the window Whisker. Whisker, the name of a cat. Whisker, a cat, is one who stole the cheesecake. They wanted to take revenge from Whiskers. Whisker, the name of a cat. For that reason, they went to Whisker's home. Pasta gave an idea to take the revenge. They ordered a cheese pie. They caught Whisker red-handed and made him pay for the dinner. Pasta said to Whisker at the end of the story, if you want cheese, you should take permission from us. So students, here title signifies, which is if you want cheese, say please. Here title signifies, if you want cheese, say please. So students, this is all of your story about if you want cheese, say please. After the story, some questions arise in our mind, students, like that. Where did Cheddar and Berry live? And what was the invitation of they received? And how did Cheddar, Berry and Pasta punish the Whisker? So I told you about that, first question is, where did Cheddar and Berry live? Student, as I told you from the very beginning of the story that Cheddar and Berry lived in a town named Miceville. Second question is, what was the invitation of they received? They received an invitation of cheesecake competition. And third question is, how did Cheddar, Berry and Pasta punish the whisker? The answer is they punish the whisker. They punish the whisker to pay the cake, to pay the dinner payment. They caught him and made him pay for the dinner. So these are all the questions. And students, there are some words meanings for you. There are some words meanings of the chapter. Words meanings. First is cheese off. First word meaning is cheese off, which means annoyed, disappointed with someone. Students, as you know, in this chapter, Cheddar and Barry were cheesed off when they knew that Whisker stole their cheesecake. They were very upset. They were very annoyed. So second word is catnapping. Catnapping means taking a short sleep. So students, in this chapter, Whisker was catnapping when they saw from the window. Third one is Cheddar and Barry. So these are the names of characters, types of cheese. Here names of mice, M-I-C-E, mice, names of mice. Fourth is mozzarella, a type of cheese. Fifth is over the moon. Over the moon means very happy and excited. Students, in this chapter, mice were very happy after finding cheese invitation competition. They were very happy. And next one is cheesecake, a sweet cake made with soft cheese on biscuit. And last one is pasta. Pasta, as you know, this is the character name in this chapter. A food, meaning a food made with flour, water and eggs. Here names of mouse. Here name of a character. So these are all the words meanings in this chapter. All the words meanings of your lesson. So students, this is all about your lesson. Cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. I am missing this spelling. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. So students, this is all of you, all of the detail of your lesson. This was all about the chapter. I have notes of this chapter. Students, I will share with you that notes you will have to learn these notes. So don't forget this chapter and its detail. Take care. Bye bye.